Welcome to this video. Let's have a look at the rerun BW01 wall remote controller. This wall remote controller has two versions. One is powered by battery. It can be installed on the wall directly and it's flat. And another is AC powered version. You need to power it with AC power and install on the wall. The wall switch is using an aluminum brushed knob and also tempered glass panel. To install the wall panel, you can use a screw to install it on the wall or use adhesive tape to stick on the wall. To install the wall switch with screw, you need to open the panel first. To open the panel, we need a slot type screwdriver and insert to the slot here, and then twist the screwdriver to open the back panel. And here is the back plate. Then you can install the back plate to the wall first with the screw holes, and then clip back the wall panel again. And for battery version, we will have insulation tape here for the brand new wall panel, and you need to remove the insulation tape before using. The wall switch is powered by a CR2032 cell battery. For regular daily using, the battery life can last for more than 1 year. To use the wall panel, you need to pair it to the target light first. To pair the wall panel to the target light, you need to power off the light and then power on the light again, and then within 10 seconds, press the knob for 5 times quickly. Let's have a look. Now I power on the light first, and then within 10 seconds, press 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this operation, the light will flash for several times, and the wall panel will also beep for several times. That means the pairing is finished. The wall panel has a beeper inside. When you operate the knob, you can hear a beep sound. And if you don't like the beep sound, it's also possible to turn off the beeper sound. To turn off the beeper sound, you need to hold press the knob for 3 seconds. Let's have a try. After pressing the knob for 3 seconds, there's a beep sound. That means the beep function has been swapped. Now there's no beep sound. And if you want to turn on the beep sound again, the operation is same. Hold press the knob for 3 seconds until you hear a beep sound. Now the beep sound is back. After the pairing, you can use the wall panel. The basic function for the wall panel is quite simple. It's just turn on off the light, press the button, and dim down the light or dim up the light. The operation is quite simple. After you turn off the light, you can also turn on the light to the minimum brightness by turning the knob counterclockwise. Because our environment lighting is very bright, so we cannot see the minimum brightness light. And when the light is off, you can also clockwise turn the knob to turn on the light. This is a very basic operation of the panel. For multi-channel light, such as tunable white, RGB or RGB+White, you can also change the light color by this panel. To change the color of the light, you need to double-click on the knob first, and the turning operation of the knob will change to adjust the color. Now let's have a look. I turn on the light first. Now the light color is red, and I double-click on the knob and turn the knob. Now the light color is changing. Okay, after a few seconds, the knob will switch back to dimming function. For RGB+White and RGB+CCT light, you can even change the lighting mixing mode by this wall panel. To change the lighting mix mode, you need to triple click on the knob quickly. The lighting mixing mode can change from pure RGB to RGB+White and pure white. Then let's have a look. Now the light mode is at RGB mode. And let's try the triple click. 1, 2, 3. The lighting mix mode is changing to RGB+White. And again, 1, 2, 3. Now the light mode is pure white. And again. Now it switches back to RGB only.